Struggling with Windows Update error 0x8024000d. In this video, we'll guide you through simple steps to fix this update issue and get your system running smoothly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Open Disk Cleanup and click OK. Click on Clean Up System Files, then click OK. Select all the items listed and click OK. Finally, click Delete Files to complete the cleanup process. Solution 2. Windows Update Troubleshooter. Search for Fix Windows in the search bar. Click on Find and Fix Problems with Windows Update. Click Next and wait for the problem detection and resolution process to complete. If the issue isn't fixed, click No and then close. Solution 3. Run command in Notepad. Search for Notepad and open it. Copy the command from the video description and paste it into Notepad. Click on File, then Save As. Select a location to save the file and name it with a .bat extension. Make sure the file type is set to All Files and click Save. Right-click the .bat file and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Wait for the commands to run. Then type Y and press Enter. Once the process is complete, right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Solution 4. Windows Media Creation Tool. Open your browser and search for Windows Media Creation Tool, Windows 11. Click on the first link in the search results. Click Download Now to get the tool. After downloading, follow the instructions to reinstall Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.